Hey guys, how you doing today? The Lord gave me a prophetic dream. I think that was sometime like last year, or maybe it could have been 2021, the end of 2021. Those dreams be coming very fast, and the Lord, like I said before in my previous videos, we're living in the last days, and I think we don't wait too long before we enter the tribulation. But I don't know that for a fact. I'm just saying I know for a fact we live in the last days, but I don't know how many years we got left before we start the tribulation. But anyway, I just wanted to come up here and let you guys know this prophetic dream that I had. This was about Haiti. I was born in Haiti, but I left Haiti when I was a child, when I was 10 years old. So about 31 years I haven't lived there. But what happened in this prophetic dream, I saw the former president and a former prime minister. They were sitting on top of a mountain, and it looks to me like there was they had money or they was eating, they was doing something just relaxing. In the dream, the Holy Spirit revealed to me that those two are responsible for the president that was assassinated. Haiti had a president that was assassinated I think that was in July 2021, and the Lord is letting me know that the the person who assassinated the president, the mastermind behind it was a former prime minister and a former Haitian president. They're the one that mastermind the assassination of that president that was assassinated last year. I mean, 2021. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. Tell you guys these dreams I be having. I'm always having prophetic dreams and vision. And so that same president that was behind the assassination of the former Haitian president, he too would be assassinated. So that's what the Lord revealed to me. In a previous video, I talk about how this former president would be assassinated. So I know this might be a little bit confusing. So let me go back and say the one that was assassinated in July of 2021, the mastermind behind it was a former Haitian president and a prime minister. Okay, so the mastermind behind that assassination in July 2021, he would be assassinated too. He's alive now, but he will be assassinated too. The Lord showed me where they will assassinate him too. So this is what the Lord has given me. Thank you guys for watching and liking my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't already. May the Lord bless you.